this first video is going to be a review on distribution. It should be pretty short. So distribution is where you have a number or a variable outside a set of brackets. Okay. Okay. So you have a number that's outside a set of brackets, and brackets mean multiply. So in order to get rid of the brackets, we're going to distribute the outside number into the inside number, into the inside numbers. Okay? And with that being said, when you do this, numbers multiply numbers, variables times variables. So in this case, we only have one, we don't have a variable out here, so we're just going to work with the numbers. So 8 times 2 is going to be 16x squared. Then we're going to have 8 times 3 is 24, and there's no variable times variable, so we're going to leave it the same. Then lastly, we have 8 times 2 again, which is 16. Okay. Now, if we had a variable on the outside, let me use black for the first part. Let's go 4x. We're going to have, let me think here, 3x squared plus 4x minus 1. Okay, same thing. Sorry for changing up colors. So here we're going to distribute this through numbers times numbers. So 4 times 3 is going to be 12. Now x1 times x2, we add those together to get x to the 3. Then we do the second one. 4 times 4 is 16. X times x, those are both 1s, so we're going to add that up to make a 2. Then lastly, 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. There's no x here, so we're just going to bring this one through, like such. Now if we had something where we had two sets of brackets, let's go 3 bracket 2x plus 4 minus 6 times 5x minus 3. Okay, so this number, the only number that distributes in is the number that is directly attached to the bracket. Okay, so 3 times 2 is going to be 6x. Then we're going to have 3 times 4, which is going to be plus 12. Now when we go to multiply this in, that negative is with the 6. So it's negative 6 times 5 is negative 30x. And then we have negative 6 times negative 3, which is positive 18. Now we're not done here because we can collect like terms. These two are like, and these two are like. Oh, that just disappeared. Let's use blue. Oh, I can't use blue either. Let me change the color here to a green one. There we go. These two are like. So then here, we're going to put these two together. So 6x minus 30 is negative 24x. And then we'll put these two together. 12 plus 18 is positive 30. Okay. One last one I'll show you is if we have something like this. Let's go 4x squared times x plus 5 plus 3. Okay. We only distribute into the bracket. So this is only going to be distributed here. The plus 3 is just going to hang out right now. Okay. So that's 4 times 1 is 4. X squared times x1 is x to the 3. And then we do our second one here. 4 times 5 is positive 20. X squared, there's nothing there, so it's just going to be x squared. And then we just have the plus 3. Now none of these are equivalent, I mean like terms. Okay, so we just leave it from there. Okay, so that's a quick video on distribution, and you have a couple practice questions.